I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for final exams in college. First, establish a clear study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Next, pinpoint the most important topics and any areas where you feel less confident. Finally, collect all your study materials, like lecture notes, readings, and past assignments, to ensure you have everything ready before you begin. This organized approach sets a strong foundation for effective preparation. Once you have your materials, engage in active learning. Don't just reread. Actively test yourself on the material. Try explaining complex ideas in your own words, perhaps to a friend or even just to yourself. Creating flashcards or concise summary sheets can also be incredibly effective for memorizing key terms and concepts. These methods help move information from short-term to long-term memory. While studying hard is crucial, remember to prioritize your well-being. Incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to avoid mental fatigue and maintain focus. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night, as this significantly impacts memory consolidation. Also, fuel your body with nutritious food and drink plenty of water to keep your energy levels stable and your mind sharp. On the day before your exam, do a final review of your summaries and any practice questions. Make sure you pack everything you'll need for the exam, such as pens, pencils, and your student ID, well in advance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. On exam day, arrive early, take a few deep breaths, and trust in your preparation. You've worked hard and you're ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.